Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia. For those of you who recently subscribed, I just want to say thank you so much for joining the fam. Also, my background is a little different today. I was recording in my living room for a little bit, but I just wanted a change of scenery, so I moved into my room. So I hope you guys like it. So I'm super excited for today's video because I'll be doing a unboxing video. I've never done one of these and I thought why not try it out because I just recently purchased something new and I thought it would be fun to share it with you guys. I just picked up this item from my friend tonight and I was so excited to open it up that I decided just to record it night of. So right now it's dark outside, so if the lighting is a little funny looking, I just want to apologize because I only have my ring light right now. I don't have any like natural lighting to help me out. So the item I got is a YSL bag. It's my first YSL item I ever owned, so I'm super excited to show you guys. I was so excited because I actually haven't seen the item itself in person. You guys are probably wondering, how do you not know what the thing you bought looks like? So the bag I want is called the Sunset in medium, and I was so set on getting another style in the YSL bag, and I actually just recently switched to this style. So let me talk about what I wanted before. I actually was kind of considering which bag to get for a few months now. So I'm really happy with the one I picked, but I'm gonna put a picture right here of the one I wanted. So this is the Kate, and it's also called like the wallet envelope bag. It's kind of like their classic bag. I wanted it in smooth grain, silver chain, and I think it was in size small. I don't remember exactly, but that was the bag I was really set on because it's like the classic bag. Almost everyone has that bag, I feel like. So yeah, I feel like you will know what that bag is. So that was the Kate. I was so set on it. I went to the store to try it on. It was cute. It looked very normal. I feel like I wasn't kind of like wowed by it, but I was still like, okay, it's a classic bag. I still want it. Because I don't really have any smaller sized luxury bags. I feel like all my luxury bags are kind of like on the bigger side, so I wanted something that was more like easy to use. I can take out just on a like a daily date or whatever into the city. I don't have to carry like a bulky bag that I don't really use all the time. So that's why I really wanted the Kate. I also wanted it in black because honestly it matches everything for me. Like my whole entire wardrobe is more like on the darker side anyways. So I thought that was like the easiest color for me. And then fast forward like maybe 3 weeks ago, I visited a boutique store near me. So why I didn't go to the actual store to see these products was because I live an hour away from the city, so it wasn't really worth it for me to just travel there and back, which is like a 2-hour commute. So I just went to like a local boutique store that carried YSL and all these other like name brands. And it's not really a boutique store, it's like department stores like Neiman Marcus. I'm pretty sure you guys all know they carry YSL, so that's like one of the stores I visited, and they didn't have the bag I got now in the store, so I didn't have any idea about it, but they had a smaller version of it, and they only had it in the gold like chain, and I didn't want the gold chain just because I don't know, I'm kind of weird about it. There's some things that I like in silver and some things that I like in gold, so it really depends on the product itself. Give me 1 second, something just fell. Okay, we're good. What was I saying? The color of the chain, yeah. So I went to a Neiman Marcus to check out the bag. So I tried on the Kate wallet envelope and I really liked it. And then I saw the Sunset, which is the one I got in the size small that they had in the crocodile embossing, and but it was with gold. So that was the only thing that was holding me back. So I asked the sales rep if they had the same size and style but in silver, and she told me that she wasn't sure, and I was confused because you work for them and you don't know what products they have, you know? Like I feel like you work, because I worked at a luxury brand before and we're supposed to know our products. So I was like, okay, so I guess I can't, you know, set my heart on anything today. I have to go home and do my research. So that's what I did, and I found out that the bag that the Sunset in small didn't have it in the silver. They only made it with the gold, which is confusing because why wouldn't they make it in small for both? But anyways, I was kind of like bummed out about it because I was so set on getting that style just in the silver chain. And then because they didn't have it, they only had it in a... Okay, this is what was crazy to me. They didn't have a size small, but they had it in like a mini and a medium, not an in-between, which is so weird to me. I think they did that like with the gold. They don't have like the gold in the big size, but they have it in the small size. So yeah, the mini was way too small. Like it was like a wallet size, and that's not what I wanted. The small was like a clutch size, which is like kind of what I was looking for, but maybe a little bigger. And then there was the medium, which was like the perfect size, but I didn't know how it looked like in person because I couldn't see it in the store because they didn't have it. So I kind of like eyeballed it like using a ruler and like literally drew the bag out onto a piece of paper and kind of like tried it on and stuff. And it looked good on paper, and I was really happy about it. So my friend was in the city and I just had her purchase it for me. So I picked it up last night and I'm so excited to open it. So I guess I'll just do it. I've never done an unboxing, so I don't really know how it goes. Do I just open it now? I don't know. I guess I'll just do that. But here it is. I guess we'll just start. I'm so excited. So I did take it out of the bag just to see what the box looked like. It's just a shoebox looking box, but I love how like simple it is. It's so nice and like modern looking. So it just has the Saint Laurent logo. It's just a black box. I love this. This is so cool. It looks like a shoebox, right? So I'm gonna open it like this. I guess that's the easiest way. Oh wait, let me talk about the one I got. I think I told you. I got the Sunset in the size medium with the silver chain and the crocodile embossing. I think that's how they say it. But here it is. I didn't even open it yet, so I don't know if it's like wrapped up or anything. This is the dust bag. Whoop. Okay, here it is. This is so like, it's so cool. It's all just like black and like super simple. I love that. Oh wow, it still has its wrappers up. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, so you can see I totally didn't even open it yet because it has all these like foam and protecting stuff around it. Wow. So it's like actually on camera it looks pretty big, but this is, I think it's about like lengthwise is about 8.5 inches, maybe a little less. And I think this is about like 3 inches, like the width. I'm measuring with my hand, about like 2.5, yeah. And then the height is about like, I think it was like 5.5. But this bag retails for $2,290. Oh wow. Online I saw it was $2,350. I guess it's cheaper in the city. I don't know, that doesn't make really any sense. But this is the bag. I guess I'll just open it here. Whoa. Take that off. So this is how the inside of it looks. So it has two layers, two main layers, and then it has the small layer in front. Just taking this out. Wow. Does it have it? Oh, and it has like a little pocket on the inside. Like right here. Right there. But yeah. Ooh, okay. So like I said earlier, I wanted something smaller, but to be honest, looking at this thing, it is small. Okay, it is small. I'm comparing it to one of my other bags that looks the same size, but inside it's a different style bag, like shape also. So this one's definitely smaller. This is exactly what I was looking for. It's beautiful. On the back also has another pocket. Oh, just be careful here. Another pocket. And oh, just smack myself in the face with it. But yeah, let me just take this thing off so you guys can see how the chain looks. So this is the bag. It's beautiful with the silver chain. I'm so happy I went with the silver chain because when I tried the gold chain on, it made me feel like I looked older, and I didn't really want to look older. I wanted to look like my age or even youthful. And so I'm really happy I went with the silver. I'm obsessed with this bag. It's like it's actually the perfect size. I was really worried about it being too big for my body because I'm not the tallest person out there. I'm like 5'1.5". Just say 5'2". But yeah, so I just wanted to make sure the bag was proportionate to my body size, and because I didn't actually see this in store or try it on, I was really nervous about it. But I'm so happy that I went with my gut, and yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect for my size, my body shape. I'm gonna put it on for you guys. I'll just prop a video up right here. It's the perfect size. I mean, the lengthwise, some of these crossbodies, because I am on the shorter side, they kind of like drag under my hip, and then they kind of bang against my like hip and butt when I walk, which is really uncomfortable. But this fits perfectly, like right a little bit above my hip. It's not below it, so it doesn't feel like I'm dragging on it. It's like the perfect size for my body and my height. So I'm so happy that I went with this, because I was debating between getting this bag and the Gucci Marmont Matelasse. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I wanted that one. But I went with this one just because I feel like, I don't know, my heart just went towards this one more, so I just went with my gut. And also I feel like this is a very nice like statement piece. That's why I also got it in this type of material, the crocodile embossing, rather than the smooth leather. The smooth leather to me was a little too plain for me. I feel like because I was getting such a nice bag, I wanted it to be a statement bag. So I wanted it to speak for itself. I wanted it to speak for my outfit, for whatever I was wearing that day. I wanted it to actually be the one, I wanted this to be like the cherry on top. So this is my new baby. I'm obsessed. Ah, yay! I can't wait to wear this. I can't wait to take pictures with this. I've been wanting a YSL bag for a really long time now. I've just been like doing my research and hesitating on getting it, because if I'm spending this much money on a bag, I want to make sure that it's something that I can use forever, that'll last forever, and that I'm gonna obsess over it. And I'm already obsessing over it. I can't wait to wear it. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I'm so happy I went with this design rather than the Kate and the wallet envelope, because that one is literally like super thin. So I think that one is like half the size of it. I know the wallet is like literally like a wallet, so I didn't want like a wallet bag. I wanted more of a bag, and I wanted to be able to actually put stuff in here, like, you know, my makeup, a camera. What else can I put in here? Okay, I can't put a camera in here, it's not wide enough for it, but definitely more than just like a wallet and like a card case type of wallet. So yeah, this thing is amazing. I'm so happy. So the material is actually really nice. Like, it's a shiny crocodile embossing, and then I really like that the YSL, like up close, it's like, it has like these like super tiny like dot detailing, and it's just, it's so simple yet so chic and classy looking. I'm so happy with it. I also know that there's another one, I think it was also the sunset with like a handle, a top handle, which I didn't want. I wanted strictly a crossbody. I just went brain fart. Oh, that's my dog. Hey, it's okay. Come here. I am super happy I did this video, because you guys were able to see like my raw, actual, natural surprise of seeing this bag for the first time. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little moment we had. But yeah, I'm super happy I went with the YSL Sunset. If you guys are looking to the bags, I definitely recommend checking that out, because compared to all my other bags that are crossbodies, they're all on the smaller side, and I feel like I can't use it as much as I want to, because if I'm going out, I want to bring stuff with me. I just don't have room to carry it. So this bag is great for it. It's a perfect size. I can put anything I want in it, and I'll be able to bring my necessities with me. But yeah, that's it for my unboxing video. I had a lot of fun filming it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, disclaimer, I'm not here to like show off that, you know, that I got this, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys like a raw, realistic me, and like me actually unboxing a product that I've never seen before, and kind of giving you guys a review on the product itself. So I hope you guys had fun like I did. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I know I don't post as often as I want to. Also, I probably won't get this video up until the next 2 days, because the adapter for my laptop that I can like transfer my videos onto my laptop broke, so I'm waiting for it to get a new one to get shipped to me. So I'll probably have this video out in 2 days, so when you do see this, it'll be 2 days later. Yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.